Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Zeiss Ikon Contina that I have. I will take it out from the casing now. Okay. So this is the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. And the light meter works. I can see like it actually responds. It's a bit dusty, but it works. Besides that, show you the front element. So Pantar 45mm f2.8 lens. Interesting. Alright. Do the test for the shutter. Okay. 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 That was 60. Now it's 30. Okay. $15. Okay. 8. 1/4. Half. Lazy at slower shutter speeds. No. Right. 1 second. Yeah, also lazy at slower shutter speeds. And this is bulb mode. For some reason bulb mode I only maximum f4. Interesting. So yeah, bulb mode works. Okay. Again, show you. So on the faster speeds, works well. Why sometimes the sync. Okay. 60. Okay. So yeah, the faster speeds is fine. Just that the slower speeds are a bit lazy, but it's okay lah. Show you the viewfinder. Alright. So yeah, there you go. Zeiss Ikon Contina camera. SLK Spezial. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.